I used to waste hundreds of dollars on Amazon products that nobody ever bought from my videos. Until I found a tool that actually makes me money. So tell me if this sounds familiar. You know, you find a cool product, you buy it, you film a solid review, upload it to Amazon, and then nothing. No views, no ranking, no sales, just a $300 paperweight and a bruised ego. That was me, over and over. I felt like I was guessing blindfolded, throwing darts at a dartboard, except every dart cost me real money. Then I found Viral Vue. Those guys know what they're doing, and everything started changing. It has a lot of tools, but let me tell you about this one. It showed me exactly which products were selling fast, had barely any video competition, and paid out high commissions. I was searching for a weed whacker that I actually needed for my yard work. Viral Vue pulled up one with crazy sales, less than 3 influencer videos, and a solid 4% commissions. So I bought it, made a quick video, and 2 days later, boom, my first sale. By the end of the month, the weed whacker had paid for itself, and then a little extra. Now I have a product that'll earn me money every month. No more gambling, no more guessing, no more spending $300 hoping a video will rank. Viral Vue shows me exactly what's worth my time before I spend a dime. So if you're in the Amazon influencer program and are tired of wasting money, go try Viral Vue. It's like a cheat code for product research. So drop a comment if you've ever bought a dud product to do an Amazon video. I want to hear your horror stories. And if you want to find out what I'm up to next, you got to hit the subscribe button. Let's make smart money together. Work smarter, rank faster, make money sooner with Viral Vue.